Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery, ideas where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and flip the notification bell on so you never miss out on our latest content. Today we're going to tackle two very interesting viewer queries that revolve around protecting and transferring cryptocurrencies. These topics are super crucial, especially if you're venturing into the digital currency world. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single money-making tip we share here at Money Mastery Ideas. And don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to transform their financial future. Let's kickstart your journey to wealth. One, understanding wallets and seed phrases. Our first query comes from a viewer who says, "Great content, thanks for sharing. Could you help me with something unrelated? I have an OKX wallet with some money, and I have the seed phrase, iron observe slam major mad decorate feed, photo awesome vast kitchen faint. What's the best way to send them to Binance? What is a seed phrase?" Or to begin addressing this question, let's talk about what a seed phrase actually is. A seed phrase, often consisting of 12 to 24 words, is essentially a key to your cryptocurrency wallet. It allows you to recover your wallet and access your funds. This is why it's crucial to keep it secure, as anyone who has access to it can control your cryptocurrencies. Now that we understand the significance of a seed phrase, let's dive into how to transfer your funds from OKX to Binance, 2 step-by-step guide to sending funds. First things first. If you want to send funds from your OKX wallet to Binance, you need to log into both wallets. Here are the steps to ensure a seamless transfer. Log into your OKX wallet, open your OKX mobile application, or access it through your web browser. If you don't have an account, now might not be the best time to create one since we're focusing on specifics. Locate your current balances once logged. First, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section of your account. Confirm that you have the cryptocurrency you want to send, as you can only send the currency that you hold in your wallet. Once you confirm you have the correct cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, let's get your Binance wallet address to properly send your funds. It's vital to send the right type of crypto to avoid any losses. For finding Binance wallet address, follow these steps to find your Binance wallet address. 1. Open Binance and log in. Access your Binance account on the website or app. 2. Navigate to the wallet menu. From the homepage, look for the wallet option on the top menu and click on it. 3. Select fiat and spot. This will bring you to a list of available cryptocurrencies. Search for the currency you wish to receive. 4. Copy your wallet address. Click on deposit. Here you will see your wallet address generated specifically for that cryptocurrency. Copy this address exactly as it is. Remember, any slight error can lead to lost funds. For sending the transfer from OKX, let's get back to the OKX wallet and initiate the transfer. 1. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In your OKX wallet, find the cryptocurrency you are transferring. 2. Click on Send or Withdraw. The options may vary depending on the wallet's interface, but typically either Withdraw or Send will be available. 3. Paste your Binance wallet address. The recipient field. Paste the address you copied from Binance. Be meticulous here. A single mistake can mean your funds going to the wrong address. 4. Enter the amount to transfer. Specify the amount you wish to send. Make sure you have enough balance to cover any transaction fees. Confirm the transaction. Double-check all details, and once you're ready, confirm the transaction. Most wallets will then send you a confirmation via email or app notification. 6. Wait for confirmation. After completing the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It may take a few minutes for your funds to appear in your Binance account due to network processing time. And that's it. Your funds should now be en route to your Binance account. It's wise to always monitor your transaction history to ensure everything has gone through as planned. With 5 Query 2. Understanding wave field. So now let's dive into our second question, which states, the video content is very worth learning. I'm a little confused. I have the address of a wave field chain that contains TRC20 USDT, and I have the recovery phrase. This query broadens our topic into recovering wallets and dealing with different tokens. TRC20 USDT is a token on the Tron blockchain structure, while Wavefield represents the underlying technology. If you have the address but are unsure how to access those funds, then you're in the right place. Using the recovery phrase, here's what you need to do. 1. Download a compatible wallet. You will want to use a wallet that specifically supports Tron-based tokens, such as TronLink. It's generally available on mobile and browser extensions. 2. Open the wallet app and choose Restore Wallet. Navigate to the Restore or Import Wallet option, depending on the interface you're using. Enter your recovery phrase carefully. Input your recovery phrase. This will grant you access to the wallet associated with that phrase. Make sure it's entered exactly as it was provided, including the order of the words. 4. Access your assets. Once you gain access, you should be able to see your TRC20 USDT alongside any other assets contained in that wallet, sending TRC20 USDT. If you've successfully restored your wallet and can view your TRC20 USDT, sending it is easy. 1. Select TRC20 USDT within your wallet. Navigate to the Tokens section and find TRC20 USDT. 2. Initiate a send transaction. Click on Send. This will take you to the recipient input field. 3. Enter the recipient address. Make sure to get the address right. This is vital. 4. Confirm the amount to send. Double check the amount you wish to send and confirm it. Finalize the transaction. Review all the transaction details and finalize it. Just like before, you can track the transaction status to ensure everything is processing correctly. That wraps up our response to 2 very important viewer queries. Thank you to both of our viewers for reaching out. It's our community that shapes the content we create, so keep those questions coming. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Money Mastery Ideas, and hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated on future videos. Comment below if you have additional questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next